to the channel, guys. Today is the 12th of May 2022, today Thursday, and I'm shooting this particular vlog at around 11:15 in the night. This is just a quick update video as to tell you guys what exactly happened when after I told that the drone I have, which is the DJI Mavic Mini, has received I received an update, and then I showed you on the screen as well that it showed 60 meters. So what exactly happened after that? Now I took it out onto the ground. The moment I tried that, like when I opened the app, it actually showed the same 15 meters capping. So I was just zapped as to what exactly happened. The night before it showed 60 meters, which I showed you guys also on the screen, and now today it's again showing the 15 meters cap. So what the heck is going on? I tried the DJI Fly app, which is the official DJI app. There were no further updates and it was just staying on the 15 meters cap. I have two other applications on my phone which you guys can also use. One is called Rainbow and one is called Litchi. Now both of these apps are not free apps. I mean, to an extent you can fly your drone, like there is a limit of flights, free flights. If I remember it right, the Litchi or the Rainbow, any of these two apps, they offer five free flights, after which you're gonna pay them, subscribe to their package and the software, and that's when you are allowed to fly your drone. On both of these apps you can take the drone way above the official limit, like kitna hai official 60 meters dikha raha tha na, to you can actually take it up to 400 meters, 500 meters, like that. ठीक है, ये गया ऊपर। So I was obviously very frustrated and very disheartened as to why it again rolled back to the 15 meters. What joke is going around? So I came back the same night. When I checked on the drone, it again showed 120 meters this time. The last day it showed 60 meters, then it rolled back to 15 meters. Now it's again showing me 120 meters. Then I checked back with a couple of my known people who also fly drones. On one of their screens it showed 200 meters, and that's when it got, to my nerves, you can say. And I actually rolled out a big nice email with all the screenshots attached. I will share those emails on the screen, and I just asked for an explanation from DJI. I will even flash the emails on the screen. You can, if you want, you can also have a word with them, and they do respond. So I told them what exactly is going on. I received this update and then you suddenly take it back, and then on the following day you give me 120 meters and someone gets 200 meters. What joke is going around? What circus? If you see, I have mentioned exactly the same line. What circus is going on? So on the next day I received an email from the DJI team, and they are aware of this issue, which is good to know. And they said that DGCA has approved the removal of the limitation. So DGCA has approved. However, there's another government body which is DGFT, so Directorate General or something like that of the Foreign Trade. So that's the organization, that's the body who are causing the trouble, and because of which the official lifting of the cap cannot be rolled out. Like they did roll out and then again took it back from the users. So that's exactly what is going on. So if you have a DJI Mavic Mini or Mini 2, if you have any of these two drones, and if you are following my video and if you're starting to get this particular message on the screen, don't panic, because it might show you 60 meters or 120 meters or even more, but then again in reality it won't let you fly beyond the 15 meters. If you really want to take it up, then you can use those unofficial apps. So yahi bolna tha. That's all what I wanted to tell you guys about this, because I received a couple of queries from both Indian and international users that what exactly is the update that we need to do. Are you on the same firmware? I will share every information on the screen as we talk. So make use of this information, and if you really want to get in touch with DJI, get an official response from DJI, throw in an email with all your queries. I will, again, I'm saying, I will flash the emails on the screen. So that's it. And before I melt, I will have to close this particular video because the aircon is off and the fan is off, and these lights, you can see me like doing this and like that. So anyways, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. I will see you guys later in some other informative vlog or something like that. Travel is not right now not possible for me because of this extreme weather, plus a lot of other factors of my personal life. So there won't be any immediate travel videos. If there is any, I will share it on Instagram, which is, again, the ID is flashing on the screen. Follow me up there. And unlike many other YouTubers, I always make sure I do respond to my YouTube comments and my Instagram DMs as well. So I'm signing off this particular video, and you guys take care. Ride hard, ride safe, ride responsibly, and yeah, that's it. Subscribe if you like the content, and watch my old content before I roll out any further new content. Ta-da.